Hey everyone, McKenna Fenney here, Realtor with the Plowman team, and welcome to our newest home for sale. 190 Hillside Avenue has so much to offer. Now let's check out this beautiful property. Welcome home. This property has a ton of potential, especially for you to get your foot into the market. Whether you're an investor or a flipper, a first-time home buyer, this property offers a load of potential. One great thing about it is, it's not upgraded. But the perfect part is when you get a property like this, you can decide what custom upgrades go into this home. Now go through the dining room there, and I'll meet you in the kitchen. Welcome to your kitchen, where you get to make whatever your vision come to reality. Whether you want new appliances, brand new backsplash, or quartz countertops, this property here is going to give you the ability to make what you want of it. One thing I do really like is they have added on a sunroom. With that sunroom, you do have extra space for whether it be more shoes or your coats, or especially when you have your kids come in from those winter days and you want some area for them to just lay their stuff. Then you've got your backyard. So when you are doing those backyard barbecue parties, you're not too far from the kitchen. And to me, that's a bonus. Now that we've come into this beautiful backyard space, you have the opportunity to see what you are going to enjoy this summer. The beautiful deck, lots of room for entertaining, and a shed that is equipped with hydro. Thanks so much for sticking around to the end of this tour. If you'd like to see more awesome content just like this, don't forget to subscribe. And of course, call the number above if you would like to have your own private tour. We'll catch you on the next video.